Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted your website to feel more interactive and visually engaging, you're going to love today's tutorial. I'll show you exactly how to add a hover effect to an image in Wix 2025. This simple trick can really bring your site to life. Whether you want your images to bounce, fade, or shimmer when someone points at them, you'll be able to make any image pop with a professional-looking hover effect. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know how to add these effects, but you'll also understand how to tweak them to suit your style. Let's jump right in and get started. First, we need to add an image to your Wix page. To do this, head over to the left side of your editor and click on Add Element. This is where you'll find all the building blocks for your website. Now, you have a couple of options here. You can choose a traditional media image, like a photo or a graphic, or you can use a vector image. Both options work perfectly for adding hover effects. But for today's demonstration, let's go with a vector image. It's a great choice because these images are crisp and flexible, and they look sharp at any size. So, after clicking Add Element, look for the section labeled Decorative. This is where Wix keeps all the fun design extras, including vector images. Take your time here and scroll through the available options. Maybe a playful icon? Or an elegant shape? Select a vector image that matches the vibe you're going for on your site. Once you've found one you like, click to add it to your page. If you ever change your mind, you can swap it out or adjust the size later. So don't stress if you're not entirely sure which image to pick right now. Alright, now that your image is on the canvas, it's time to make it interactive. Click on the image to select it and look for the panel or toolbar option labeled Animations and Effects. Sometimes Wix moves things around in updates, so if you don't see it instantly, just check for icons that look like sparkles or little motion marks. Those usually hint at the Effects menu. Inside the Effects panel, look for the Hover section. Hover effects are special. Unlike standard animations that are always playing, these only trigger when someone moves their mouse over the image. It's a great way to surprise your visitors or draw attention to important visuals without overwhelming the page. Click Add to start choosing your effect. Now, you'll see a list of available hover effects. Wix offers all sorts, in classic styles like scaling up, fading in, rotating, or adding a subtle shadow. You can pick something bold if you want your image to really jump out, or go for a gentle professional vibe with something more understated. As you're experimenting, feel free to try different effects. Wix lets you see how they look before you commit. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find just the right one. The process is meant to be flexible and creative. Once you've settled on an effect, it's just about making sure it feels right. I always recommend clicking Preview in the Wix editor at this stage. This lets you see your site as a visitor would, and you can hover your mouse over your new image to test out the effect. Watch for how the animation feels, and if it's not quite what you imagined, go back and tweak it. Sometimes a subtle change in timing or style makes all the difference. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hover effect to an image in Wix 2025. Effects like these aren't just fun. They invite your visitors to explore and can make your site feel more dynamic and polished. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see more advanced Wix tricks, drop a comment below. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new instructional video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.